स्टडी स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस है, चैप्टर 6 है इफेक्ट ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया। इफेक्ट क्या इफेक्ट पड़ी, क्या असर हुआ ब्रिटिश रूल का इंडिया पे, इस पे चैप्टर है। दिस यूनिट This unit gives information about how different parts of India were influenced by the British rule. The administrative system of the Britishers was beneficial to England. They had carried out loot in India in the name of administration. Rule the Britishers tried their best to ruin our self-government system of villages. They also ruined Indian trades and industries. The Britishers did some reform, but they were all to their benefits. The education system implemented was such as would keep Indians slaves for ever. Thus, the British rule brought about adverse influence on India. Question number 1. What do you mean by raw materials? For manufacturing final products, whatever natural resources are used are called raw material. For example, manganese for machines of iron and ore. Iron and bauxite are called raw material. In the same way, for preparing cloth, cotton is raw material. Give some example of raw material. Cotton, jute, wood, plants, minerals, leather, etc. are the examples of raw materials. Question 3. Make a list of raw materials supplied by your village. Cotton, sugar cane and oil seeds are produced as raw material and supplied by my village. Next, number 4. Make a list products prepared for the raw materials and the places to which they are supplied. आंसर आएगा द रॉ मटेरियल प्रोड्यूस इन अवर विलेज फाइंड इट्स वे टू द मार्केट ऑफ सिटी फ्रॉम देयर इट रीचेस टू फैक्ट्रीज फॉर प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स आर प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम द रॉ मटेरियल एंड कमोडिटीज प्रोड्यूस कॉटन क्लोथ sugar cane sugar and jaggery oil seeds oil cakes. Next, what do you mean by land revenue? Make a list of taxes paid by us. Farmers have to pay a specific fixed part of their yield in the form of money to government. It is called land revenue or vigoti. We pay different types of taxes, that is income tax, wealth tax, weight tax, etc. Taxes collected by municipality are education tax, water tax, cleaning tax, drainage tax, etc. Next question. If famine occurs in modern times, the people suffer less. Why did they suffer more during the British rule in India? Answer. The laws framed by the British were against farmers. Farmers work very hard, face a number of hardships and got ill, but to their misfortune. They could hardly save a little. They had to mortgage their lands, their belongings, ornaments, etc. Were paid up in debts. Therefore, in the period of British farmers had to encounter many hardships. Next, what cottage industries can be seen at the village level in the present time? Answer आएगा in present time we find following cottage industries in villages, making or preparing the following things: roasted chapatis, thin spicy crispy cake, various pickles, flour puffs or ornaments from beads, spices, eatables, breast, brands, soaps, washing powder, liquid for cleaning tiles and utensils, earthen pots, earthen lamps, painting, painting earthen products, dye and tie products, saving work, embroidery and weaving work, imitation jewelry, woolen products, incense sticks, candles, etc. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है why did Macaulay start English education in India? Macaulay was a lawyer. The Britishers had assigned him to job of changing educational pattern in India. Macaulay and the members of his committee framed out an educational policy which in turn would benefit the Britishers. The Britishers need educated clerks to be helpful to the Britishers in their administration. The strength of Indian society was in religion. Therefore, they thought that once they got English education, they would never be free from chains of slavery of the Britishers. According to them, they would produce such a lot of people who would feel enslaved at the time. Next question, make a list of leaders who helped in arousing nationalism after acquiring English education. The leaders who awakened the spirit of nationalism after taking English education: Surendranath Banerjee, Vyomeshchandra Banerjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tayyabji, Arvind Ghosh, and uh, Rashbihari Hari Ghosh, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajgopalachari, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Vallabhbhai Patel, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Chittaranjan Das, and Shyamji Krishna Verma, Madam Bikaji Kama, Shri Bhagwan Das Singh Ji, Thakar Papa, Saroj Naidu, etc. नेक्स्ट आपको एक्सरसाइज करवा रही हूँ. व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रेजेंट peasants and those of the British time? आंसर आएगा इन द पीरियड ऑफ ब्रिटिश दे हैड स्टार्टेड collecting more and more land revenue from farmers. Therefore, farmers turn miserable sometimes even after selling away their ornaments. They could not manage to pay up revenue, so they had to sell away their land and farm. Majority of the land of farmers got drawn in debts. Some farmers were ruined, falling victim to heavy interest policies of money leaders, owing to the permanent settlement scheme of revenue collection introduced by Cornwallis. The farmers who had worked very hard for their yield very exploited. Today, farmers got electricity for 24 hours under Jyoti Gram Yojana, water for irrigation from canals, pakka roads, market yards for selling their produces, bank loans, subsidiary front, government etc. and they have prospered. Next, what reforms were introduced by William Bentinck in India? The reforms that William Bentinck did were for their personal benefit and self-interest. They wanted boost in their trade and business, and then to make the hold an army strong. The Britishers could vigil over almost every region of India and account of these reforms. Moreover, they could communicate with their friendly countries even if these reforms were made for the Britishers themselves. They became useful to the Indian people too. The reforms by the Britishers proved supporting for the spirit of nationalism for the Indians. The class who had taken English education became aware of currents in the world. The people of India came closer to one another to become free from the slavery of the British. These reforms proved to be a boon. Next, what commodities were exported from India? Answer आएगा Indian handlooms provided all the necessary clothes required by Europe and Asia. In India also exported jute, wool, silk, cotton, cloth, salt, sugar, very smooth muslin of Dhaka, etc. Next, what reforms were done by William Bentinck in India? William Bentinck was a reformist when he cannot India as a governor general. He made the following reforms for smooth administration. He included Indians in the administration of the British Company. He allowed mother tongue to everybody. He also took steps to make justice impartial, fast and less expensive. Raja Ram Mohan Roy and other reformists had been trying to put ban over Sati Pratha for very long time. With the request for these reformists, Bentinck implemented ban on Sati Pratha by law in 1829. As a result, it started cultivating nationalism mind. Next, why did the British government start the facility of railway, post and telegraph? Owing to industrial revolution, to keep the factories in England moving on, they needed to invent machines. They wanted to carry goods from one place to another. For that, they needed transport vehicle, example railway. They wanted to send messages quickly and communicate. For that, they needed to discover communication machines, that is, telegraph, etc. If these machines were to be used in India. Next question, who appointed the collector to collect the revenue? Answer, Warren Hastings appointed a collector or to collect revenue at first. Next question है, who banned the practice of sati? Raja Ram Mohan Roy and other reformists had been trying to prevent this inhuman custom of sati pratha when William Bentinck took the reins of administration in his hand as the government general. With the request of these reformists, he put ban over this evil custom in 1829. ये आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर अभी इनकम्प्लीट है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको कंप्लीट कराऊंगी. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है. थैंक यू.